welcome to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube with Silver. And I'll pay you will be a quaba. Yasen Shebium, Kumasi Asante Kotoko on Como, and Sheba Bidi. Well, you know him saying, Yami Armochana, Sante Kotoko bo against the in Swatreman. Oboa says an outstanding game. Kotoko bo against in Swatreman. On say previously. Na a match the 2 game basu between Korokoni and Swatre. But fortunately or unfortunately, that time in Swatre so but the CAF Confederations Cup in Team Penifo to share that weekend no after Kotokobo Karela no they had the chance to rest for 1 day for 1 week rather. The following week now Kotokobo against Young Apostles. And they say teams on more standing match a mediama samates on bebo no chana na Kotoko so ne Nsu Atreman na bo na mediama ebo home on say mediama bo obo Legon Cities away back home and obo Accra Lions home and wabo Baseke away. It's 3 games that mediama bo wabo 2 away 1 home. Legon Cities and Baseke ni nyina wetimi akonya winning. So Mediama at the moment is the best away side in the Ghana Premier League. It means that if Kotoko want to come into the league discussion properly, na wamutimi for now teams say you muti wenya be any Gold Stars. Gold Stars were in it. Gold Stars were one of the outstanding games I think against Nsu Atreman, against Samates. Yes, Gold Stars were standing game against Samates. It's Gold Stars be born in the Ochana. Okay, yes, Gold Stars be born in the Ochana. Mediama Samates near later. Gold Stars is also doing well in the Ghana Premier League. Coach Frimpong Manson also born homoding. And it's going to be a tough competition. I mean, Nations FC is also unbeaten. But no, they has a draw on a more. About Haas draw. About Bichim draw. About Young Apostles draw. And not share Diana. John was 6 points in 4 games. That is for Nations FC. I could score 5 points in 9 out of 9. A win tomorrow be take Kotoko to 8 points. Now Ebema Kotoko chances in fighting for the league title na Kosropa as compared to previous occasions. And your channel esa Kotoko timi din kunim normally Wednesday midweek there it normally affect attendance, but the good news about Kotoko if you win tomorrow against Nsu Atreman, you have another home game which is against Accra Lions, which is on Sunday. Until win against Nsu Atreman, set the tempo for your next game against Accra Lions. Raise the appetite at least. Say Kotoko 4 games unbeaten. Now out of the 4 where we need 2 about draw 2 on say normally it's setting the stage for your next home game where you can invite a lot of fans. You can do everything possible for a lot of fans to come to the stadium. Until we should work on that and get a win against Nsu Atreman. Quickly, young court news. So first story and now I'm catch them say Asante Kotoko team be training. Boasene. And now Kotoko team be a recovery, which is very important. Boy, go to true minikaka krasani omumpum. Be out of the game, baby out sane. And it on say one double intensive training. Match day intensive training. Until the following day, you are supposed to have a medium training. Now the next day, was zoom into action. Normally, so about Sunday, about Wednesday, I am ready to work because you did stamina no order that. Stamina until I study a recovery, players now and a more exercise no more. So there must be some element of match fitness compared to a more boy, Until net training, a bit more tactical. Your game plan against Nsu Atreman because physical aspect, and boys no actual man the tactical ones, position of players will be a pra na you'll be shema the role of the person. And now mostly coaches near when over Sunday now or midweek game because uko pusho mu bebrea why have midweek me do normal bread. And what you know that Kotoko squad no, and your squad we can say you squad can see it. Then what is happening to Kotoko at the moment. Players no don't wanna on quite unfortunate injury out to most of the players. Until we coach Krana, you watch that particular aspect very well and you don't push them too much. Tieneno on the call training. Last week, after Kotoko against Young Apostles, no, last week I'm penning for the arrangement in such a way that Obuase pitch no bit me improve the quality of the Obuase pitch. Senior at the end of the day, in improving the quality of the Obuase pitch, at the end of the day, no, Ebema, you will see a different state of the Obuase pitch. 1 week, the aye ho adwuma nti whether indeed or China Kotokoba first one here who against Young Apostle and so yellow sand if you are this time around no you will something different internet Kotoko call boss or moka and the squad no it's me could pure more boss in Abema but on paper and no baba aya ntimi training tinedu ntimi training samba and I'm the 20 so oko 2 weeks when ntimi training a smart ntimi anye training so for these 4 players they are out of it and I'm saying recovery no my players to be crack transfer to me kakra no transfer no and then training nanka so mo born a part to pan you whether way you fit and now way you fit. Let's move on to other issues. Game in the heading so after match in heading they've not had a good season so far. Steady as it almost share Young Apostles ni free on normal matches na here we say come ça. But we know when everything is playing against Kotoko, the kind of determination of the bottom is different from other matches. So you will be wrong to assume that we are going to get it easy against a year in Swatremai. Now, Openyin FM Nana Apinkra kwesi ewa mo ehunu kwesi ada obrekum. Nana Konkran. On the 12th of October, Asante Kotoko against DC United. That is a match after Kotoko has that Democracy Cup, no. Now, one of the benefits of winning the cup was not just how to fool, was not just the trophy, was not just the monetary benefit, rather a trip to DC to go and play against DC United. O steady Kotoko preseason omo ball matches edi nyeska has the na trophy that so to be appearance fee. Media ma de no na ceremonial match be appearance fee. Hohoi na nim say honorable na Leni Abre also a showcase. He wanted to bring Kotoko to Hohoi to sell a good image of the town or the constituency. They also beje kakra. The match is a to say yam bomfa enche apomuden ho no. Eno kra Kotoko bon Cape Coastal. Etitafo ni bi koye also beje kakra which was against Gold Stars and Vision FC. That was solid. Send is ko abuchira United to ko China, to ko US no about friendly matches as pre-season no side this cano. I think it's a mini of that. Yes, this particular pre-season. Nana Konkran. Nana NTS Nana any parliament in Pennyfolk could come specifically the speaker on how they can make arrangement for Kotoko team no, to get visas. Also, I studied a week you could go 2 matches. Or about Wednesday is what remind. What about Sunday Accra Lions? Saudi akwan to be share Kotoko akwan mu a wo boa Kotoko and Kotoko ntimi ntu kwan obo we are Thursday also be recovery or just Friday and Saturday to play again ntimi san kan say fast Friday no say two kwan say abran kran na be ye visa ho adwuma. So possibly if the players can appear in person it will be next week. Players don't meet me appear in person say we need bisa questions about next week. And then no crying, you know how I say fixtures no yakeka boso. Inti na eko na onim penifo akokasa. Na through protocol means because the number of Kotoko players in our visitors no, the point is that it cannot raise a team. Didn't mean raise a team unkobo. So they will need to do the appeal and make sure other players will get the opportunity. Umsubenyo opportunity no more visitors no more sabeka. And yes, our match no I had na baby oho. And in team penifo ani abre ye ho adwuma. Ti enim say by the time anana e be free nkran e ba be duru Kumase ne de na something positive a resource you sure so Kotoko chite ni a wote a wani beje no e be free these schedules meeting nana wono emu aba. na biribiara atumi akɔ yie. Well, minya ne nteɛ sɛ Asante Kotoko akyitaafoɔ mpanimfoɔ no bi spoke to supporters na ɔmo ɔbɔ ase na dodoɔ na ayɛ tinedu no. Minya ne nteɛ sɛ mpanimfoɔ no baako ne ɔmo kasae, explaining issues to them. Say the injury of Tinedu ne baeɛ no, the player himself also spoke to some of them. Say, calm down. Na biribiara bɛkɔ so kama nti. Clearly, we are not expecting that kind of reaction that caused in the first game. No, say a repeating who game in the second game. We don't see that reaction happening again because from what we are picking, everything points to the fact that things have been smoothing and clearly. Asante Kotoko team no ewura back to Obuasi no mukunya the maximum support na bibi akoyie. And then numere ebedi nkomo Obuasi on even though a midweek, but how we can get about 50% of supporters are ekopie mu the first game against Young Apostle. Midweek intino organization of buses menti bebre sa. And for now, there's no announcement say Globe TV or yes Globe TV on the northern side matches no. There's no announcement say Omoba be the Kotoko against a year in Swatremine for now. It's a arrangement on how we can get to Obuasi and get the footage for all of you to watch. But the Dao say near said you any form of announcement. Announcement in the Bible. I'm a Muslim who the other El Koso Ewo Asante Kotoko side na Bibia etimi ako jiwo. Now Che Jamana Semono. It may depend where every are training, no. But it looks like I'm getting positive remarks. Again, Coach Ogum will speak as part of the mandatory requirement. Where your club now organize and have a book game. So the head coach of the club need to speak. So we know that Coach Ogum will speak to Asante Kotoko fans before the game will come on, and he will definitely address the injury issues or camp for all of us to get a better understanding on what to happen and what to go. Well, in the next 2 weeks, Menyan and TSL, just in this poso. So, Acha should be 3 weeks that Asante Kotoko replica jerseys ebelande. Acha and our chemiansa. Nipa no crowd your catcher me no. Miana me di ka because omame early. Our share me class so. But I know the personal or side conversation. But they made me catch on here. Say in the next 3 weeks, the replica jerseys will be in. It will be in before the last week of October. I know any day if you are the amount. As to the price of the jersey, I cannot tell because the clear jersey no airport the cost involved. Every play a part or how or the amount of money you take. Ebi ajesi na nkasa cost of production da ho ansa na wo be do porter clearing duty and also the ebeba ansa na ebi a nipa obefa omo so omo beton you factor all that into the conversation into the costing of the jesi ebi a de obeton no ebi obi ton ba ko bi abepe 10 cedi dia den atoso ama no because obi nkogina wiem enkoton obi mba stadium mfa nchinchi nkoton obi nji jesi ni nkogusunyane enkoton Emma Obevi no onya kapre also. So you factor all that cost of production, your profit, a year, drew port, clearing it, and even the distribution. Meaning our factor and sana what the final cost about as in the price of the JC to sell it to the people. In na enye sika ready. I think how to fook the 300 cedis. So last season I think it was around 220 or 250. Yes, around that price. And they see him say and your boade chiade senyana your boy cost to the budget be 300 men can say 300 but our budget be 300 na bana below that when you be out on chain. And this season we've all seen the quality of the jersey be on Asante Kotoko jersey come on jersey there come on. We are all appreciating how quality the jersey is based on the players national who are to say design effect emudu ni come as compared to last season. Clearly, there have been a massive improvement in the work of the Hope brand company, as compared to last season. So as soon as you hope is a replica jersey nebebano, it will be of same quality. Tinipa no the 300 cedis square to we have value for money. apart from the love for Kotoko de to adeɛ no ataadeɛ no ɔtɔ egu hɔ nankasa so yɛ quality a ɔhyɛ otumi say yes ɔhyɛ ade papa. So budget around 300 about by the last week of October the agency should be in where you can get a sample. It might even be earlier than that. Me etinya boa ama Asante Kotoko afa ne ntoma pay fra no pay the brem. Have a good morning. Bye bye.